All right, your gradebook is finished. The email to students has been sent, and they know that they can come in and review those and print them off. Now, the deadline has come to close your class and unpublish information now that the semester has ended and everything is finalized. So here's how you will do that. The first thing that you will need to do, now whenever you first come in, you'll be on your regular landing page. To close your class, essentially what that means is you're going to unpublish all of the individual pages and you'll only leave one kind of closing class page that is available to students with some basic information that I'll show you in just a minute. Now, closing that will mean that students will no longer have access to things like the recordings, the class content, and all that you do is go in and you're going to unpublish each of the pages. Now I'm going to go back in and publish this momentarily because the class is still active, but you're going to go down page by page and unpublish each of those. Now the other thing that you're going to do, you want to publish now and save. Okay, so this doesn't have a, okay, I want to make sure that's published. All right, so once that's published, so you'll go through the list to make sure that everything is unpublished, and you'll need to make sure that you have a closing class page, a final grade notice page, whatever you want students to see when they come in. You can add an image if you'd like, a personal note, but you need to make sure that there are a few things available to students. You need to make sure that they have the link to the information about how to print off the grades in haiku. Now remember, this was sent in the email as well, but it's okay. We want to make sure that we over communicate. You can also put a link to the other training videos, things like how to save e-portfolios, and you can just send them to our website where all those training videos live, and give them the deadline for being able to retrieve their information out of haiku. And you might want to bold this, you might want to emphasize that after this date they will no longer be able to see the grade book. And then you put your contact information should they have any questions, email address, phone number, and all of that, and make sure that they know what date that they will no longer have access, so that they know how long they have to be able to print off the grades based on the instructions in the video. Then this page you will need to make sure is published, so they will no longer see all of the other pages that have class content. They will only see this page whenever they come in, with instructions about how to print their grade book that they can go to the grades to see.